Okay, let's get right into it. We're going to come to ChatGPT and we're going to paste our prompt. And you can ask me in the comments if you want the prompt. I'll respond to your comment with this prompt. Or you can screenshot it on your phone. But pretty much I just said create a 2-column table for my t-shirt mockup prompt bundle. Column 1 should be titled Why You Need This Mockup Bundle and include 10 short benefit driven tips, 10 words or less. Column 2 should be titled Call to Action and include persuasive purchase prompts, 15 to 20 words, encouraging creators to buy the bundle. Make the tone confident, encouraging, and create a focus. Target t-shirt makers, crafters, and digital product sellers. Focus on saving time, looking professional, increasing sale, and simplifying design workflows. Okay, so here are my 2 different columns. Only thing I'm gonna do, come right here, and I'm gonna copy all the way down. You want to make sure you read this stuff too. Make sure to align with your business and your brand. You want to read this. You know, Chat is AI. Chat does a great job, but you do want to proofread stuff before you put it out on social media. You want to proofread it, okay? They're not gonna blame Chat. They're gonna blame you because it's your page. Now, I'm gonna go to Excel. Open it up. Make it bigger so I can see it. I'm going to right click right here at the top and I'm going to click paste. Now I do have a mockup bundle. It's in the description if you want to get this mockup bundle, and it has prompts with it. So listen, it's a great time saver. You don't have to create your own prompts. I already did it for you. Only thing you have to do is you can edit the prompts to make it your own, because I did red, white, and black t-shirts because baby, we are Petal Panthers. That's our school color, so I rock red, white, and black all the time. So that's why I did those, but you can do whatever color you like or whatever color you sell the most. Now I'm gonna go into Canva now, and I'm gonna do social media, and I'm gonna do I mostly market on Facebook, so I'm gonna do a Facebook, do a Facebook post. I'm gonna show you how to set this up, because what we're doing is we're saving our time and we are batch creating once a month for the whole month. I know I only did 10, but y'all can do 30. I just did 10. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to elements and I'm gonna do black background, because like I said, I use red, white, and black, so I gotta do something that looks good. I'm gonna leave it white, and I'm gonna do red. I'm gonna do just red blur. I like red blur. We can use this one. I'm gonna put it right here. Bring it down just a little. Well, I want that red showing. Let me see if it makes it like a line. It does. I don't like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do it about right here. I want to change that to a real true. I wanted it a little bit. No, I'm gonna leave it like this. Now go back to elements. You're gonna click on frame. Bring up all your frames. It's gonna make sense in a minute, baby. Just trust the process. Y'all hear that all the time, right? Trust the process. I hate when people say trust the process sometimes, but that's true. You gotta trust the process. So, hold on. Let's find a frame that looks cute. We can use this one. Okay, we can use this one. And you put your frame wherever you want it, however you want it. I'm gonna put my frame right here. And then I'm just gonna go to text, and I'm gonna add a text box. And I'm gonna change this to black. Oh, it's already black. Okay. And I'm gonna put just gonna make up something. Tips you need to know about selling t-shirts. I'm gonna do it like this. T-shirts. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up how I want it. line space that I wanted. And I also, yeah. I may change this. I am. I'm gonna put the frame right here. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna make it smaller. And then I'm gonna add another text box. And I'm gonna put, I'm just making up something. It don't make sense right now. It don't make a difference right now either. I am just happy to see the last day of 2025. Thank you, Jesus. That's a true statement, y'all. Because some people didn't make it. And we got to understand it. Now this, we'll make it bold. I might make that one a little wider. So it can kind of stand out. Okay. Okay. I think I'll make this a little bit bigger. I may change all of this, y'all. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Because we designing, right? I could have set this up before I got on here just to save time. But I want you guys to know how to do it from start to finish. This way you'll know how to do it. Okay. Now, at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and put get the prompt bundle. And I'm going to make this smaller. Okay, because I want to just go across the bottom. Right now, look a mess, right? So, now what we're going to do is, we have this in Excel. Have we did this? Yeah, we did it in Excel. So, I want to do File, Save As. You want to save it as a CSV. And you want to put Prompt Bundle. And then I'm going to save this to my desktop. Save. Okay. Now, I'm going to come right back here to chat. I'm going to go down to under my apps. If you don't have Batch Create, go ahead and get that. You need it. You want to do enter data manually. You'll see in a minute why. And then I want to go back to this. So you really didn't have to save it as a CSV file, because you could have just kept it on Excel and just copy and paste like I'm doing. I'm so used to doing it the other way, so out of habit, I messed that up. Okay, right here, there's my first column, my call to action. You know what a call to action is? You telling people what you want them to do. I'm gonna do copy. I don't know what I'm doing right now because my computer doing its own thing. Okay, we got the copy. You'll come right here and we're gonna paste. And you wanna make sure it's different. So yeah, it's different. Now I'm gonna do add image. Add image. Well, let me do that again. Add on this plus sign. You can go down to your uploads. And these are my mock-ups. So I'm gonna start with a black one. Then I'm gonna go with a red one. Then I'm gonna go with a white one. I'm just gonna keep that same pattern. Y'all know I'm a pattern girl. So find me another black one. Yeah, these are nice too. I think that's the same. No, it's different. Okay. I think I ain't like that one. And then we had a red one. We'll use her. Then we'll use a white one. And I'm showing you step by step because this is what you're going to have to do when you want to batch create your content. And I suggest you do. Batch create it. Like, save your time, honey. Okay. We can do... It was another red one. I was like, this one real cute. Well, it was the white one. So we'll use her. And then this the white one that I think is bad. Love it. This one. Because I wear them pants, baby. I look so cute in them. Okay, so I got that, and I'm going to do done, right? So now, I'm going to click on tips. See them 3 dots? Click that. So go to connect data, and this is my tips, okay? Then I'm going to click on this, do my 3 dots, I'm gonna do connect data. I'm gonna do the call to action. It's coming from right there. And you see how it's showing me that it's connected to it. Then I'm gonna come to this frame, 3 dots, connect data, and I'm gonna do images. And then I'm just gonna say continue, and it say create 9 designs because I just didn't copy the last one on the tips, so that's why I said 9. We do create and we wait. We have patience here, what your girl don't have, but I'm work on it. Let's be patient. We want to do view design. And bam, just like that, I have my images loaded, different images on each one. I have my words, and you see some are bigger than the other one, because that's why I asked Chat, like, hey, give it to me in less words, because that way it'll fit the screen. I mean, yeah, it can fit the design, but I can just make this smaller. I'm gonna show you how to format it. I can just make this smaller. Then I can make this, bring it up, make this a little bit wider. Okay, if I want to make this smaller or bigger, I can. Okay, well, I could do it. Hold on. Like, I could do it something like this. That way, if people want to steal my stuff, they really can't steal it because it don't give them the full shirt, right? Because they can just screenshot it. Y'all know how y'all crafters do. I can just give them a glimpse of it without giving them everything, right? Okay, so let's read this. It says, create consistent branding across all products effortlessly. Build a cohesive brand look that boosts credibility and conversions across every platform you sell on. This is like pretty much re-emphasizing why you need to buy this prompt bundle from me, right? Because you make your stuff look good. Because when it look good, people don't mind paying for it. When it look like it's just threw together, people like, I ain't buying it. I mean, it just don't look good, right? So what I can do a white box, because y'all know I gotta make this cute. I'm gonna show you this. Say for instance, you see, let me go back. Hold on. You see how her head is cut off? If I wanted to, all I do is double click it, slide it down, and that way you can see her face. With the you can edit it how you want it, right? And I can just do it right here. So they can see it, but they can't just take it. What I may do, yeah, do it like this. And also, yeah, this is how I do it. Right here. And then what I may do is show me layers. Let's see. Well, I think I want to do pictures. No, that's not giving me what I want. So I want to do the graphics. Okay, so I edit the whole thing. I changed the whole design, but this is probably how I would set it up. Something like this. I got tired of designing for a second, so I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. You get the gist of how you can create it. What I would recommend though, you set up this how you want it to look. So if I want all of my content to look like this, so I could tweak each one individually, I can do all this in about a good hour for the whole month. What if you could literally sit down 12 times a year and create content? and then you just schedule it to whatever platform. If you have a business Instagram, business Facebook account, you connect your Canva to it and you schedule it. And while you at work, you post at 9 o'clock a.m. while you at work, and you ain't really picked up your phone. So you can take the thinking out of content. I ain't gonna say take the thinking out of content because you never take thinking out of content, but the everyday sit down for 30 minutes or 45 minutes to make one post on social media. You don't have to do that. Sit down on a Saturday, Friday night, or Sunday evening, batch create, be done. Okay? Batch create and be done. Because right now, once I edit all of this, I have 10 days worth of content that I'm going to schedule out. And guess what? I'm gonna probably forget it's on post. So when I start getting those notifications, I'm like, what this from? Because I don't even think about it. Because what I did there like at the first of the month, and it is now December 31st. How would that feel? It would feel real good. Get your time back. Dedicate like 1 to 2 hours once a month to your content. Go ahead, post it, batch create it. That was real simple, real fast, and yeah. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Again, the link to my prompt bundle, which that prompt bundle, let me just give y'all a little sneak peek. Baby, they what's up? Let me show you my favorite one. Hold on. That ain't it. Let me show you my favorite one. And there go the prompts. So you got prompts that you can use and edit, but let me tell you what outfit I said, girls, you bad. This one. Won't I look so cute in it? Y'all can tell me. I know I will. But anyway, like I said, the link to it is in there. Also, the link to my Skool community. So if you want to deep dive with me, have access to me to ask questions, we do a live Zoom call I ain't gonna say live. We do a virtual Zoom call every Tuesday at 7 where we do stuff just like this. I walk you through it. You can stop me, ask me questions. Yeah, we have a good time, baby. There's a whole party in there. So join the community, link up with like-minded people that's trying to achieve the same goals, but don't feel like they are competing against you. That's the community we have built. It's like a sisterhood. We open to some dudes, but right now it's a sisterhood, and we just like getting to it. Like they say, getting to the money. That's what we doing. All right. So let me know in the comment, y'all. If it was helpful for you, you didn't understand something, I'll go back and kind of clear it up for you. All right, friend. Have a great 2026. Your girl is out. Bye.